Welcome to Hirakata Park, home to one of Japan's most iconic roller coasters, the legendary Red Falcon. Soaring high above the park, Red Falcon twists through the sky with over a kilometer of track. The lift hill itself may be one of the longest lift hills we've ever been on. It took forever to get to the top of that thing. Alright, let's fly. Seems to go off forever, and I don't even think there's a drop on this ride. A long ride, surprisingly smooth. Not a whole bunch of exciting features, but okay.
I like it.
If you want to see more of the park, you can check out our full day vlog. We also have on-ride POVs of all of the other major attractions. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates. We will see you in the next video.